Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Hand waving before we start, you're very welcome to share your comments, feedback, and even your critiques. They really help me improve and create better content. Hooray if you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel bell and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos make. Sure to watch until the end to get all the important tips and details. Okay, let's get started. Down finger. In this video, you will learn how to properly prepare your kitchen wall using cement and sand before installing ceramic tiles. Proper wall preparation is one of the most important steps in tile installation, and it directly affects the strength, durability, and final finish of your ceramic tiles. We start by showing you how to clean and prepare the wall surface, removing dust, grease, and any weak materials that could affect adhesion. Then, we demonstrate the correct way to mix cement and sand in the right proportions to achieve a strong and workable mortar mix. You'll also see how to apply the mixture evenly on the wall, ensuring a flat and solid base that is ready for ceramic tile installation. This tutorial also covers important professional tips such as how to control wall level and alignment, how to avoid cracks or hollow spots behind the tiles, and how to achieve a smooth and consistent surface for perfect tile bonding. Whether you are renovating your kitchen or working on a new project, this method will help you get long-lasting and high-quality results. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking to improve your tiling skills, this video will give you practical techniques and real on-site methods that you can. No talking, just clear visual steps to make everything easy to understand. Make sure to watch until the end to discover all the small details and secrets that make a big difference in tile installation quality. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Your feedback is always welcome.